up, guys? This is your boy Charlie. Here we go again with another update, guys. Let me fix the camera real quick. There you go. There you go. I like that. Okay. Yeah, this is how the bike is sitting right now, guys. As you guys saw in my previous videos, I had the NCY stretch kit. I think it was 6.5. But since I got a good deal on the fatty, I knew this was gonna happen at some point, because my ultimate goal was getting a fatty. So now it's happening. I had to buy the Mojo fatty kit, and for those who don't know, you're pretty much, you know, offsetting the engine or pushing the engine more to the left so that the rear wheel gets center right in the middle of the bike. Not too fancy. I don't know if you guys wanted to do a full explanation of this, but that's the bracket. So you're pretty much setting the engine more that way so that the wheel stays centered on the bike. Nothing crazy, guys. I mean, for most of you guys that are watching YouTube videos on RUCKUS's, hopefully you guys understand. If not, drop a comment, guys. I'll explain. I'll go through it, every single bolt, every single thing that you have to do, because I did a lot of things. But so that's the update. As you guys know, you have to shave the middle part for the dipstick, because there's no way your tire will come through here. I have to deflate the tire also, so that it was more softer, more easy to handle. Two more things will be, I deleted the kickstand, and the reason for that is because the tire is so big that the kickstand will rub on the tire, so that's a no-no, obviously. And I don't know, extra weight, I feel like the less the better for me, so it's less weight, and it looks a little bit cleaner, guys. And also for the exhaust, as you guys know, the fatty, it sticks out too much for the mounting bracket, so the original exhaust is out of the picture here, guys. So what I did is I cut it up. So I'm not gonna lie, guys, this is like extremely freaking loud, like annoyingly loud. It goes through your helmet, you feel the vibration, like it's crazy, guys. So just so you know, I'm just gonna ride it like this just to go to work and come back. But I bought a muffler already. It's coming, it's on the way already. So I might make a video later of how it sounds, but it's like it's loud, guys. It's loud. Like people will look at you on the street because it's loud. But other than that, I'm extremely happy, guys. I'm gonna show you the quick few videos that I had, that I recorded. It's more like time lapses and little clips here and there of what I did. As I said, I was too excited to get everything on, so I didn't really make a full on video. But oh, also the front tire needs to be replaced. The threads on the front and the style of rubber, you know, it doesn't match the back one. The back one is like a street bike that looks like a dirt bike. I do have the tire already, but that'll be another weekend, another video, guys. I just want to ride it today for work, have some fun in it, make people get mad because of how loud it is. But yeah, guys, I'm not an expert on this, but I'm getting there, guys. I'm getting there, and I'm gonna record everything for you. Alrighty, hope you guys enjoy the video. See you on the next one. Good morning. So this is, oh, there you go. It is actually dirty way. It is. So it was time. There you go. Quick fix, no biggie. It'll get done in no time. update. I was so eager to finish today, but I installed the wheel, I installed the Mojo fighter kit. I think I did a pretty good job actually. I don't want to brag, but the thing looks like super smooth. So I just wanted to finish it today. I was kind of in a hurry, I'm not gonna lie guys. I think that was my fault, but this is what happened today. As I said guys, I wanted to finish today, but it's not gonna happen. It was a good Saturday. I think I'm gonna go inside and just spend the rest of the day with my family, but I guess it's done. Well, you can't really tell because the frame, but 32 pounds, and I think I'm done. This is gonna be officially the first test ride. I'm excited, man. Let's see how it goes.